Film Development Council of the Philippines, aking paboritong direktor, Joey Reyes, dating chairman ng FDCP, aking kumpare, Tirso Cruz III, ang paboritong leading lady ng aking ama, Tito Boots Sanson-Roa, the Entertainment Producers of the Philippines, the Directors Guild of the Philippines. Ba naman ito? Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. To be honored by your peers is the ultimate recognition of one's talents and achievements. On behalf of my father, former President Joseph Estrada, and our family, I would like to thank the Film Development Council of the Philippines for bestowing the Lifetime Achievement Award upon my father. 2 buwan lang ang nakakaraan noong nambigyan din ng pagkilala ng aking mga magulang sa Senado, ang dating First Lady at former Senator Loy Erce Estrada. And as their son, no words can express the pride I feel for my parents and the legacy they have built in their respective fields. Mahirap pong puntayan at mas lalong mahirap higitan ang kanilang mga nagawa. Lalo ng aking ama, mapasinado man o sa larangan ng pagiging alagad ng sining. Kapag sinabing Mowal Fund at Metro Manila Film Festival, hindi po maaaring isang tabi ang pangalang Joseph Erap Estrada. My father was once not just an actor and movie producer. He was a visionary, truly an icon of the movie industry.